In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email filter in Zoho Mail to organize your inbox efficiently. Whether you're overwhelmed by newsletters or want to sort messages into custom folders, setting up filters can save you a lot of time and headache. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to Zoho Mail's website by typing in http://mail.zoho.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you've safely stored these details somewhere secure to avoid any hiccups in gaining access to your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your command center, where you can manage all your emails and settings. Look to the top right corner of the page, where you will see a small gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings menu. Click the gear icon, and from the drop-down list that appears, select Mail Settings. This area is where you can adjust all of your mail preferences and personalize your email experience. Once you're in the Mail settings, you'll want to look for the section labeled Mail. Within this section, find and click on Filters. Filters help you manage how incoming emails are handled, saving you time and ensuring your inbox remains tidy. Next, to create a new filter, click on the Add New Filter button. This will open a new window where you can input the details for the filter you're about to create. Give your filter a name. This is how you'll identify it later, especially if you end up creating multiple filters. For instance, you could name it something like Move Newsletters if you're aiming to separate promotional emails from the ones you consider more important. Now you'll need to set up the conditions of your filter. This step is crucial because it tells Zoho Mail what kind of emails should be affected by this rule. You'll notice there are options like From, Subject, To, and more. Depending on how specific you want to be, you can set one or several conditions. For example, if you plan to filter out newsletters, you might use the From field to enter the email addresses or domains that typically send you newsletters. Once you've defined the conditions, it's time to decide on the actions. This is what will happen to emails that match your set criteria. You can choose various actions, such as moving emails to a specific folder, marking them as read, or even forwarding them to another email address. Decide what best suits your needs to keep your inbox organized. After setting your conditions and actions to your satisfaction, simply click on the Save button. Your filter is now active. Congratulations, you've successfully set up an email filter in Zoho Mail. With these filters in place, you can keep your inbox uncluttered and ensure that important emails don't get lost in the shuffle.